Hello and welcome to my van conversion walkthrough. This is my Peugeot Boxer from 2011, which I converted in a period of 2 months while working at the same time. Luckily I got help with some friends. One friend helped me with the woodwork and one friend helped me with the electronics because I'm very shitty at that. Let's start with the back. So in the back we have immediately the bed. The bed is 130 centimeters by 200. No, it's actually 130 by 190. And it is a foam mattress, which I bought for like €100. And on top of that, it has the topper. It's actually very comfortable. And it sleeps very nicely. And I can sleep in there easily with 2 people. I'm 180. And yeah, I can sleep in there widthwise. That's also why I wanted to buy this van, because I wanted to save space. So for me it was important to sleep widthwise. Then the cabinets here for storage. In the future I want to, come on, focus please. I want to put a diesel heater there. I'm gonna install it there. And on the other side I have chairs and tables and whatnot, and my spare license plate. You go to the front. Here we are in the front. This is my IKEA cabinet, which I still had laying at home. And IKEA furniture is actually really good furniture for van conversions because it's cheap, it's lightweight, and you can find really small furniture things because this cabinet is quite small. So it's perfect for this van. Then I have a stove here, which I got for €10 because it didn't have the knob, but I didn't really care because it still works. Which has a gas hose running to there, which I show you later on. Faucet and sink. I can pump water here and then it goes out there. To be honest, I'm not too happy with this system because it does work, but when you want to cook and you want to fill a pan with water, it takes a while to fill it up. So I think I'm gonna change this with an electric pump. So that's like, yeah, I'm gonna do that in the future. The floor. So I got the floor from a friend. He just bought a new house and he said, hey, you want to have my old floor? And I was like, hell yeah. And so I helped him pick out the old floor, and I could have this one. Underneath there, 20mm insulation, which I also got for like €30 or something, so it was quite cheap. Then the table and the fridge. The reason why is it blank like this here? The reason why I had this cool box and this table because I wanted to put it out. This table I can move from left to right, and I can pick it out if I want to. Also the fridge, so I can put my car seats back here. I can also put the floor out here, and I can put my 3-seat car seat here. This used to be a cab. You can also see it in at the ceiling. The cover, it's nicely covered. I was very lucky with that, so I didn't have to cover it myself. This used to be a taxi cab. It had 3 seats there, 3 seats here. So yeah, now I can put this out. So I can put the seat here, so I can move 5 people. 2 in the front, 3 in the back. Then the electronics, which I have hidden in this seat. I'm trying to do this in one take, so excuse me if I take longer sometimes a little bit. Here we have the electronics. It looks messy because it is. Here we have the car battery, or not the car battery, the extra battery, which is 120 amp hours, and it's hooked onto the switcher, which prevents me from draining with the car battery, because with this car charger it's hooked up to my car battery, so it can charge this battery when I'm driving, and the switcher prevents it from my car battery from draining. And then there I can plug it in from outside, and here I have my 12-volt USB for charging my electronics and phone and other stuff. And I also have one here, which right now I have one USB plug for the Christmas lights. Nice Christmas lights over here. And then I have a small gas tank, which runs, the hose runs to here, and I have gas for my stove. Oh, down. So normally I sit here, having lunch, working, doing my thing. Up here I have curtains, still laying at home. I can put them down. Also here. Oh yeah, the cabinets. Also IKEA cabinets. I bought it for €10, which is really cheap. I bought it from this woman who was about to move to a new house, and she said, okay, I want it. I don't want it no more. So she gave it to me for €10. How cheap. So here I leave my clothes. As you can see, I'm a very tidy person. And here, kitchen stuff. What else? Oh yeah, the insulation here, which is Armaflex. This was quite expensive. Armaflex, I don't know how much I paid. I think for the whole van it cost me maybe €150 or €200. But the reason why it was so expensive was because it's sticky. It's sticky on the other side, so I could just put it here and it sticks there, so I don't have to screw anything or do anything with woodwork, and it goes all the way here up top, and that insulates the van. Then I wanted to show you really quick my bed, because I'm a guy who a lot of times needs to move big stuff. I'm moving around a lot and I need to buy new furniture, and also I'm a piano fan, so I buy a piano from time to time. So I want to move bigger stuff. Let me put the camera down. How can I show you a thing like this? So I can put this up, so I still have this space free for moving stuff. And I also want to start using this as a cabinet or kitchen work eat bench, but I never used it before, but I really want to start making use of this space. I think that's about it. If you have any questions about this conversion, feel free to ask. It's quite a low budget basic conversion, but it does the job, so I'm very happy with it. And I think also I want to make it look more nice, like on the walls. I want to make it more nice looking, but for now, for me it was important that it had all the utilities that I need, and it has, except a toilet. I still need to install a toilet, but I will make that happen soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.